Hey, if you cannot turn on your Beats Solo 4 headphones, there's probably some issues. And first of all, there's a chance that your headphones are completely discharged. So you will have to actually input the USB-C cable into the USB-C port. When the indicator lights up with the red color, like in my case, take a look. There it is. You will have to wait for like 30 minutes or even 1 hour to recharge your battery. After this, you will have to try to simply click and hold this button and wait until the LED lights up just right here. There we go. If it still doesn't work, but you actually recharge your headphones, probably the button is not working properly. So, sometimes some kind of the mess go inside, some pieces of the dust. So I can highly recommend you to press on this button hard, like push it really hard for a few times. Try to actually squeeze all of this stuff that is inside, and then try to click and hold this button one more time. But if it still doesn't work, you can simply you have to take advantage of the warranty, or actually go to a professional service center and they will definitely repair your headphones. So this is the only tips that I can give you about not turning on. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.